Hi there, in this tutorial we're going to take a close look at the 16 levels feature on your MPC Studio. This allows you to take a sample and spread it chromatically across your 16 pads so you can control the pitch and the velocity layers. Let's dive straight in. Hi there and welcome to the MPC Academy. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use 16 levels to take a sample and repitch it chromatically across the pads, allowing you to create completely new melodies. We can also do this with drum samples, spreading the velocity across the pads to humanize our beats. Let's select our sample, hit 16 levels, and now on our screen, select tune. Our sample is now repitched across our pads. As you can hear, we're making a completely new melody from our sample. Now let's create a hi-hat pattern by using 16 levels. So let's select our hi-hat, press 16 levels and select velocity. This will now spread the velocity of our hi-hat across our pads. Already this is creating a more human feel over our beats with ease. To learn more about MPC Studio, head over to the MPC Academy for more tutorials, tips and tricks. See you next time.